Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. Thank you so much for stopping by, and for those of you who are new here, welcome, and I'm so glad you found my channel, and I hope you can also like and subscribe. But before anything else, I would like to thank all our frontliners, the doctors and the nurses. Thank you so much for doing such a great job. I have a lot of friends that are nurses, and I know 3 of them have already acquired, the virus, but they're all doing great right now, and they're on their way to recovery, which is actually a good thing. So again, thank you so much. Okay, and also I usually do shopping vlogs, but lately we've been stuck at home. We are safe at home, so I haven't been going out to do any content. So I've been going out of my niche, doing other things, sharing other things with you guys, not just shopping, but also unboxing and other stuff. So I changed my name from Happy Finds to Happy Finds by Marie. So I hope you guys can also support me on this one. Okay, here we go guys. I got the sneakers from Madewell, but you can also get this from Neiman Marcus. It's also available at Saks, Nordstrom Rack, Bloomingdale's, Zappos, and Amazon. They all have the same price, so which is actually a good thing. But since Madewell has my size and I didn't want to wait at that time, I got it directly from the store, and here it is. I got myself the VEJA sneakers. Actually, this is I kind of researched on it, and it's actually called VEJA sneakers. I thought at first it was Veja, but they said it's supposed to be pronounced like deja vu, so deja like VEJA. So here it is. Ta-da! So I'm gonna open it for you guys so you can see. So this is the color that I got, and it came with this little booklet right here that tells you more about the shoes, because every shoes, every style, they're made differently, or they're made from different materials. Okay? So meet VEJA. It's the ecologically grounded sneakers there is. So you can see that one. The thing I like about this one, this is vegan shoes, but it's not 100% vegan. It's actually vegan friendly. And the thing I like about this, it is not too expensive, but it's very stylish. It's not too frumpy, and it's very minimal, as you can see. Minimal but flattering. You can wear this with jeans, dress, leggings, and just with t-shirt, and you can rock it like that. Well, since I always wear just sneakers and t-shirts and leggings or jeans, so that's why I go for this. And one thing is, I saw Emma Watson and Meghan Markle wearing this, and it really looks cute on them. This comes in a variety of style, but I chose this one because this one is easier to clean with the leather thing like that. You can see. I just want to show you how cute it is. See? There's so many things actually about these shoes that I would want to tell you about, but because it's too long, about the history, how it's made, and how they carefully make each pair of this one. But if you want, you can just like Google it and you'll see how good this sneakers is. Okay, I haven't even worn this guys, but from what I heard, a lot of people have been complaining about the sneakers tongue right here, this one, because it's, as you can see, it's kind of like longer than usual, so it kind of rubs on your ankle, and you might have to break it in first and wear like socks, like not the no-show socks, the 3/4 socks I believe, and maybe after a couple of wears then it should be more comfortable. I mean, I've been hearing about that reviews, so I wouldn't expect it to be like really comfortable at first when I wear it, but I show you how it is on my feet. So let me show it to you closely by itself so you can see it properly. So here we go, opening it right now. Again, I got the Veja V10, which is actually the letter 1, and I got it in white, and this is $150. Usually the prices for all stores are all the same, not unless they have a promo going on. And this is actually a French brand, but it's made in Brazil. And these sneakers are made with raw materials sourced from organic farming and ecological agriculture, and they say it avoids chemicals and polluting processes. So there's really so much to love about this because it's earth friendly. And for the fashion side of it, I just think that this sneakers is very versatile. You can actually wear this with anything from leggings to wide leg pants to shorts, skirt, or anything like that. Because me, I love wearing jeans and just leggings, and I'm usually on sneakers and sweaters and shirts, so that's why I love this, and the fact that it is ethically made. Here is how I'm wearing it, and as you can see on the side, they have a lot of different colors and different styles. But as for me, I'm wearing a higher socks because of the shoe tongue that's gonna dig on in my ankles, so kind of like have to break it in for a little bit. Anyway guys, it's a short video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you can subscribe, and I'll see you again next time on my next video. Bye and be safe.